welcome to today's £20 challenge. Yes, on this beautiful blue crisp day, I thought I would take the opportunity to walk around to several of the charity shops that we have here located in Bognor and see if I can find a complete outfit, including shoes, for the grand total of £20 or less. Because money these days is, let's face it, a little bit hard to come by. So if you'd like to join me on today's little journey around town, pull up a chair, make yourself comfortable, and, as they say, let's get spending, shall we? Ooh, I'm actually recording this particular video on Valentine's Day, but by the time you get to see it, it's obviously going to be past Valentine's Day. So I hope you all had a nice time, received some nice cards, maybe some flowers as well. That would have been nice, wouldn't it? Gosh, the sunshine is so nice. I thought I'd sit down for a couple of minutes and try and absorb some of it and ask you a question at the same time. Now, normally I'm a blonde. Today I thought I'd try something that's slightly different. I'm not too sure whether I like it or not. What do you think? Do you think the colour suits me? I can't quite make my mind up. I think I might go back to my usual blonde, but let's see, shall we? So this is the first charity shop, which is called Scope. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Well, that's 1-0 to the Cat and Rescue charity. I found a lovely dress, well, at least I think it is. Maybe you'll agree a little bit later when I get an opportunity to try it on. So that's £8.50 out of my £20 budget, but I am finding it quite difficult to find shoes at this moment in time. So onwards and upwards, let's try the British Heart Foundation next.
£7.50 then, please.
You're very welcome, right. Well, that's a nice plus for the British Heart Foundation. I found a nice pair of Sevens ladies' shoes, which I think are quite nice with the dress as well. So that was an extra £5.50, so it's all totting up. I think that gets me, what, £14? I think I've got £6 left to have a good rummage around. So I'm going to grab myself a cup of tea, I think, just to warm up in a bun and see what else we've got. We've got a few more charity shops left to visit. So let's go, shall we? So that is me completely shopped out. I think I've been into every single one of the charity shops that Bognor has to offer. Had a good rummage around. I must admit some surprising bargains, but it was quite difficult to keep under the £20 because there were so many tempting things to buy. And there's a little bit of a special one at the end, which I haven't quite covered yet, but that will be the grand reveal at the end. So all that remains for me to do really is to walk myself home, grab a quick cup of coffee, and slip into one or two of the items and let you have the final say, hopefully in the comments down below. So let's see you very soon, hopefully. Hi and welcome back to the what do you think section. After a quick cup of tea and a change of hair, I've slipped into the dress that I fell in love with in the animal rescue charity shop for a whole £8.50. Now I'm going to pair these up with these wonderful little pair of shoes here I got for a whole £7.50. So we add those two up, that comes to a grand total of £16, which left me with a £4 of my budget remaining. Now it took me a good hour of traipsing around, but eventually caught my eye was a lovely green dress. What didn't catch my eye, unfortunately, was the price of it. So I had to do a little bit of negotiation. Now if you are a charity or a thrift shopper, God, that takes some taking, you know they're fairly adamant about their prices, but I did manage to get a little bit off from the young lady. I think she felt a little bit sorry for me. So I've got a nice little green dress surprise for you, which I hope you're going to love as much as I did. And let's get on and show this one in its full glory, shall we?
Couldn't close the door. All the times I can't miss myself, there gotta be a heaven and hell. Once again you stab a chest, swear to God you're a narcissist. Never again. Through the fire, through the flames, that's how when I hear your name. You let me down when I was high. Now I go first and it's your time to lose your head.
And this is a little green number that I could not resist. What do you think?
I spend my life building arms, see my home turn from castles into dust. Some days you both stay and tell me how I'm strong. So there I was carrying you around. All the times I convince myself.
Well, that concludes today's £20 charity challenge. It was a lot of fun rummaging around a lot of the charity shops and trying to find that elusive bargain. But I think it goes to show that you don't have to spend a small fortune to look glamorous or even feel glamorous. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm not too sure, but I'll be very, very interested to hear what your particular favourite dress is. Would it be that short surprise green dress or this quite high fashion stretchy dark black dress? So whichever one, I would say, would really like to read your comments. So as always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do consider doing it. Also liking and sharing. I would very much appreciate it. So, in conclusion, as always, I'd like you to please stay safe, stay gorgeous, and until the next time, bye-bye.